Wait, did you scroll past the potato dessert? Hold on. This one will surprise you. What if I told you that in just 3 minutes, you can turn a plain sweet potato into a soft, gooey cake in a mug? Let's make it happen. Hunger potato style. Start with 1 medium sweet potato, around 150 grams. Peel it, chop it into chunks, and microwave until it's fork soft. Then mash it really well until smooth and creamy. That's your naturally sweet space. No fancy ingredients, no oven, no stress. Now, into your mug, add 3 tablespoons of the mashed sweet potato. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or oat flour if you prefer a healthier twist. Then add 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, half a tablespoon of melted butter or oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of cinnamon and salt for that warm flavor. Mix everything together until the batter looks smooth and thick. You want it fluffy, not dense. Next, microwave your mug for about 90 seconds. Watch the cake rise beautifully. When it's done, let it rest. For about 30 seconds, this helps the texture stay soft instead of rubbery. Now, for the best part, add a drizzle of honey or a small piece of chocolate on top so it melts into the warm cake. You can even sprinkle a few chopped nuts if you like a bit of crunch. Take a spoonful and taste it. It's creamy, sweet, and completely irresistible. So next time you're craving dessert but don't want to bake, make this sweet potato mug cake. It's quick, comforting, and proof that potatoes can do more than just fries. If you enjoyed this recipe, comment below and subscribe, because Hunger Potato has even more easy, delicious surprises coming your way.